Go down 10th. Now it's time for me to implement the subtitles and closed captions YouTube commands. Focus Firefox. Talon Wake. Focus Firefox. mgrid. 5. 8. 9. Drag. mgrid. 6. 3. Drag. Copy that. Focus Sublime. Go way down. Paste that. Go up 10th. Enter. Say Subtitles. Colon. Space. Say key args. Clear word left. Clear. Clear left. Args. Cap. Go right. Enter. Say increase font size. Colon. Space. Key. Say key. Args. Plus. Go left. Go left. Clear word left. Word key. Go down. Enter. Enter. Go up. Say decrease font size. Colon. Go word left. Clear word left. Say font. Space. End. Go away right. Space. Say key. Args. Minus. Go down. Enter. Page down. Go up. Go up. Say opacity. Colon. Space. Say key. Args. Odd. Go right. New line. Undo that. Enter. Say window opacity. Say text opacity. Colon. Space. Say key. Word key. Args. Whale. Go right. Go right. Control Sun. Talon Sleep. Okay, these are implemented. Now let's go test them. Talon Wake. Focus Firefox. Tab New. Say YouTube. Enter. Fine. Jury. Go down. Go down. Fine. Harp. Fine. Sun-made. Pause. Subtitles. Subtitles. Play. Pause. Increase font size. Decrease font size. Decrease font size. Increase font size. Increase font size. Decrease font size. Text opacity. Escape. Sit. Text opacity. Text opacity. Text opacity. Text opacity. Text opacity. Text opacity. Window opacity. Window opacity. Window opacity. Talon sleep. All of those commands work. Talon wake. Open Sublime. Focus Sublime. Go down. Select down fifth. Select down fifth. Delete. Control Sun. Talon sleep.